Hi, and take a look at 2021 BMW 8 Series. BMW 8 Series was born to cover lots of road and in a hurry. The 8 Series comes with a powerful engine that you expect with a BMW. It was BMW's flagship car and was one of the first vehicles to be fitted with an electronic fly-by-wire throttle. Born for speed and is priced below $75,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, M Sport package, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.